To show or hide text input menu in menu option universal switch in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Select interaction and dexterity, and then tap universal switch. Tap settings, scroll down, and then tap manage menu options. Scroll down to enable show text input menu, tap switch until blue, or to disable, tap switch until white. Show a contextual menu when you are entering text, or tap show text input menu to set other settings. For example, you can enable or disable a few items. Select selection mode, select all, previous character, next character, copy, paste, cut, and select by, or enable or disable all item. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.